Now we move on to the three diacritics or Lagakhar. First we have bindi and tippi. And bindi and tippi basically make the same sounds, but wherever there's no space to put a tippi, in those places we put a bindi instead, because it's just a simple dot. The only exception is with ganna, so there's plenty of space to put a tippi there, but we use bindi instead. So bindi is used with matra ganna, bihari, lav, dolava, hora, and ganora, and it's also used with the letter ura, even if we're not using any of these matra, because there's not enough space to put a tippi there. So bindi is used with ganna, bihari, because there's no space for tippi, used with lav, dolava, hora, ganora, and with the letter u, regardless of whichever matra we're using with it. So it makes a sound, like in long or tense. If we didn't put bindi or tippi there, and instead we had a nanna, it would be lonag, not long. If we, using an English word, but if we put a nanna instead, it'd be tennis, but it's tense. So we put a bindi or a tippi instead. So if we write it in Punjabi, so the example we've got here is sa. So sasa, sase nukanna, utte, bindi, sa. And listen to the difference. So it's not sa. Sa is without the bindi. Then we have sa. Sa. It's a bit nasal at the end. A couple more examples. We can do ma. Again, it's not ma. It's ma with a nasal sound at the end. Ma means I or me. We can do with an ura. Urenu, onkar, and nyinya, and there's a bindi there. So unj means that, in that way. Unj, like that. And another example, we can do gend. Gend is a ball. Gagenulav, the bindi, and the da, gend. And some other examples of words are bandir. If we didn't have a bindi, it would be badir, but with a bindi there, it's bandir. Bandir is monkey. Asi means us or we, and without the bindi it would be asi. Asi means 80. It would have an adhak there as well, but asi with a bindi is we. Gender means center, like a academic center, institution. Vangern is aubergine. Long is a type of spice, a clove. Long. And ha is yes, but an informal way of saying yes. So you could say hanji. That's a more formal, politer way of saying yes. Next we have tippi. So same concept as bindi, but it's used with these syllables. So sehari, onkar, and dalankar. So the ones where there is space on the top right to put the tippi. Examples. So for example, here we have the sasa. If I write that, look like this. Sung. It's also used with mukta words. So if we just have the letter there, we can use tippi. So you use it mukta, sehari, onkar, and dalankar, just 4 vowel sounds. So sung. More examples. We can have for example. But this is how we write is mango. Let's do an example. Ithe sehari da example ditta hai. So bindi bindi. Ironically, bindi uses a tippi to write it. Bindi is a dot. Here we have poond. Poond is a wasp. So pabbenu dulankar, the tippi, and dada, poond. We can also do under, next word. Under means inside. Adenu tippi, dada, and rara, under. And then let's just do the last two. So we have sasenu sehari, sit, and then tippi, and kagga, sing. Sing means, it's a surname given to Sikh men. It means lion. Sasenu sehari, tippi, and kagga, sing. And last four we have kundi. Kundi is like a latch. So to close a door, for example, to lock a door you might have a latch, and that's a kundi. Kakenu onkar, utte tippi, dada dadenu bihari kundi. So a couple of examples. And last of all, in the symbols, Matra, we have adhak. Adhak. And what adhak does, it adds emphasis onto that syllable. So it will emphasize the next letter, make it twice as strong. So adhak emphasizes a syllable by making the next letter twice as strong. It comes in between two letters. You can say you're putting it on, for example, here you have sukka, sukka. It's almost as though you're saying sukka, sukka, but you're putting it together so it becomes sukka. And you might say that the adhak is on top of the sasa, but usually you put it in between two letters. So here the adhak comes between the sasa and the kakka. And it's a bit like an upside down tippi, like a bowl. So in Likhandi practice karde, we'll do this example here. Sukka. Sukka means dry. Sasenu onkar, the adhak, and kakka, it's a bit messy, sorry, kakkenu, kanna, sukka. So a few other examples. So the words we have here, chappal, it's a bit like saying chappal, chappal, chacha, the adhak, then papa, and lala. So the papa is twice, papa is twice as strong. We have chappal, it's a bit wonky, chappal, it's like chappal, chappal. Another example, you can even use adhak where there's only one syllable. So ik, irinu sehari, the adhak, and kaka, ik. So here the meaning won't really change if you take the adhak away, but you can see that the syllable is being emphasized. So adhak is needed. Same with sup. Sup. Sup is a snake. Sup. And last four we have billi. Billi. So babbenu sehari, the adhak, and then we have lalla, lalenu bihari, billi. And here the adhak is emphasizing the syllable and making lalla twice as strong. Billi. Billi is a cat.